Hi, welcome to the Cruise Shop online application form tutorial. In this video, we will walk you through each step on how to use the form. First thing you need to do is to contact Cruise Shop to obtain your member's login. After you have obtained your username and password, please navigate to the link down in the description to access the applicant login page. Enter your username and password to log in. If you see the online application form, it means you are currently logged in. Homepage explained. In the homepage, you can see the instructions written. This is very important, as it tells you how and what you need to accomplish. All information must be filled before your interview with Cruise Shop. Applicant's detail process chart. This shows what is completed is marked green, not completed is marked red, and optional task is marked yellow. In the center of the chart, you can see the total completion percentage. What you finish with the application form, it will be 100%. Personal explained. In this section, you will be able to enter your personal details, contact details, emergency contact details, applicant's comment, and your postal address. Note that all but applicant comments are mandatory fill-ins. In personal details, enter your title, your last or family name, your middle name, if applicable, your preferred name, your gender, and your date of birth. You can also mention if you own a car or not with a tick box. Click Update to update your details. In contact details, enter your email address, mobile number, and your preferred contact time and number if applicable. Note, each form with an asterisk is mandatory. Important links explained. In this section, you can view links that lead to documents that you have to print and fill in. Please read its instructions carefully. There are a total of 5 documents and only one is optional. The casual employment information statement form is optional. Education explained. In this section, you can update your qualifications. Please tick your qualification in the list. You can select your expertise and sub-expertise below. Remember to click Save when you are done. Health explained. You can upload any health documents you possess. Entries marked with an asterisk are mandatory. To upload a health document, click the description of the document. Enter the appropriate details like start date, end date, and references. Click the Select file. This will open your computer's file directory. Find the file you want to upload, then click Submit. Note the file size and type, written in yellow. Make sure it fits the requirements. Training explained. This is the same as the health section, except for the document contents. It's the same as the documents section. Registration explained. In this section, we can verify the required documents of an applicant. Tick yes or no where your qualifications require registrations. If you select no, you simply must click Save. If you select yes, please enter RN registration details as this is mandatory. Others are optional, but fill it out if you have the qualifications. Australian police checks, enter your reference number and expiry date if you have an Australian police check. This is the same as working with children permit or the blue card. Visa details explained. Tick yes if you are an Australian citizen or a permanent resident of Australia. You do not have to fill anything if you are. Tick no if you are not. Please enter your first and last name, date of birth, your passport ID, passport country, and the passport expiry date. Click Save and complete Stage to Save. Competency explains. Please answer all questions listed. There are a lot of questions, so take out some time from your day and try to complete this in one sitting. Click Complete Stage when you are finished. Finance explained. Here you can declare your tax file number by filling out the tax file number declaration form. Enter your superannuation fund name and membership number. Enter your banking details by clicking Add Bank. Choose your payslip delivery type, whether you want it by email or by post. Policy explained. Please read and accept our company's policies. You can click Agree if you agree to our policies. As for references, at the moment, references are not used by Cruise Shop, so at this moment it is unavailable. After you have done with everything required, navigate back home and click Notify Agency Staff. I have completed my application button. After this, you will have completed yours.